Another popular way to use essential oils is as a body oil. I'll show you a little later how easy it is to mix up a body oil. And first, let's talk a little bit about carrier oils. Carrier oils are what we use as the base to mix a body oil. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 different carrier oils. These tend to be the most common, popular ones that get used to make a simple and easy body oil. As I mentioned, they are the base that we use to mix. Cold pressed is usually the best type of carrier oil that you're looking for. These are generally vegetable oils, and while I buy them from a cosmetic supplier, you can, if you're in a pinch, sometimes use a vegetable oil that you can find in the store. And we'll talk a little bit about that as we get into some of the other carrier oils. First up, let's start with sweet almond oil. It's really great for relieving dry, itchy skin. And it is one of the most common for body oils to use. You'll see that frequently as the base for a body oil. Apricot kernel oil is very similar in texture and feel and lightness to sweet almond oil. It comes from the kernel of the apricot, and it is good for older skin, mature skin, and dry and sensitive skin. Sesame oil is made from the seeds, and again, as we mentioned, cold pressed is the best way to extract carrier oils. So they would actually press the seeds. It's great for inflamed skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. It's a little heavier than apricot kernel oil or almond oil, but it is a great one. It is one of my favorites. And sunflower oil is the other one, which again also comes from the seeds. It's great for mature skin. It's best to use it unrefined. So sesame oil and sunflower oil, if you are in a pinch, if you check your labels on what you buy in the grocery store, you could find something that would work. But again, you want to make sure that it's a cold pressed oil and that it is unrefined. The last one we're going to talk about is fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid coconut oil. It's made from the separating the oil, the hard coconut oil that most people are used to. So fractionated coconut oil does not get solid. It always stays in liquid form. We use it frequently to make massage oils and to make bath oils. It's a little bit more soluble in water. It's not completely soluble, obviously, in water. Oil and water do not mix. So, but it is a little more soluble than the other vegetable oils I mentioned. It doesn't have as slick of a feel. It's a little lighter feel. So if you like a lighter body lotion or body oil, this is a great oil to use. It's also, as I said, a great massage oil. It's got a nice feel to it, and it glides nicely. So there you go. There's some body oils to think about using. And now I'm going to show you how to mix a body oil really, really simply.
Mixing a body oil is pretty straightforward. You just need a carrier oil, a little bit of vitamin E, and the essential oil. So here I'm just adding in the vitamin E. So pop up the recipe for you. I'm mixing up a larger quantity, but to mix up something that you can use for yourself, you just need about 100 milliliters of a carrier oil. You can mix them together, so you could use a couple of different ones mixed together. And then you're going to add about 50 drops of your essential oil or an essential oil mix that you like. So again, you could use more than one essential oil. And we're going to put a little bit of vitamin E in there just to delay the rancidity. So again, about 100 ml of the carrier oil or mixed oils and about 50 drops of the essential oil. We'll mix it all up and then it's all ready to get bottled up. As I said, I was mixing a much larger quantity here. I'm using apricot kernel oil and lavender.
Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had a lot of fun. If you'd like some more information on essential oils or carrier oils or aromatherapy, please feel free to subscribe to my newsletter. You can find the link in the description section. And please give the video a like if you had a good time. and subscribe to my page for future notifications. Thanks.